D bang got together. He the only one can save you. Said with your chest is pussy nigga playing under the table. Better come correct. You know I'm known to see you to nah. Welcome back to another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe to join the nation. Please join the nation. I'm really trying to keep us all united. And y'all don't want to unite. Ain't you in the US? Some of y'all probably not. Anyway, comment other stuff you want me to react to. Right now, we at 55 times. Shut up. 55 times Mother Nature got angry on camera. Now, I think we done established that Mother Nature is the scariest person to piss off. But them tornadoes, it eat whole houses. Hell no, I don't want no smoke at all.
Oh my god, second avalanche of the day. That one's serious.
Even with something like this, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Even with something like this, I don't know how far that is. I'm pretty sure this doesn't do it justice. But you think I'm finna stand right here and I'm watching that? No, motherfucker, I'm going home. What the fuck?
Tourists who were on vacation experienced an intense emotional roller coaster. An avalanche was heading straight for their camp. The people below had begun to fear that they wouldn't make it out alive.
Get out, get out, Paul, get out.
How about like run or something? Like, y'all motherfuckers still standing. What the fuck? The only person that should still be standing in one spot is the cameraman. Everybody else, bro, never mind. Common sense ain't common. Y'all, boy. Last time pausing it, I'm sorry. But hear me out. What percent of this specific population in this video, okay, is black? That's all I wanted.
But fortunately,
I'm sorry, don't cancel me.
The avalanche stopped without claiming any casualties. You can only imagine the relief they must have felt.
Yeah, you're lucky. It's in the air, bro. It's not even staying on the ground. It's in the air. Who the fuck don't run from that?
Did you see everyone running?
Not fast enough. I was supposed to stop. Not fast enough.
Is everyone okay?
I hope so. Looks like it did get the edge of the camp. It's still coming in.
Bro, you can't even see shit.
It's pounding.
I'm still leaving.
Absolutely pounding.
I don't know where this ship sailed, but it definitely wasn't somewhere warm. Nature didn't hit the ship itself too hard, but it did a number on its cargo.
Are them cars? Damn. Imagine.
These cars are literally frozen solid. Their climate control systems won't do them any good right now.
They didn't have windows?
The new owners won't be able to use their new cars until spring comes around.
Anyway, bro, wow. Imagine if that was a Ferrari that you just ordered. Ooh, I'd be pissed. I'd be pissed with the regular car. Damn. Hey. You are the chosen one, and it is your time to go today. It's trying, bro. I'm like bullet holes. Mother Nature trying to get at you. I'm You still sitting in the fucking car? Fuck that Tesla, I'm getting out. How you get jumped by Mother Nature? Mother Nature spun your damn. Spun your whole block. There was sparks back here too. I wonder if he got electrocuted or something.
Sometimes nature acts like a petulant child, tossing everything around as if it were just a toy.
Wow, it's another tornado. Oh my god. Who the hell told you to do that? What's your problem? Why? Nigga, you ain't pay for none of this shit. None of it. What the fuck?
And here are the results of that game.
Bro, like what? It was literally nothing right here. Literally. Nothing. Nothing. 20 seconds later. Mother Nature is your worst op. I'm telling you, bro, what the fuck? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's 30 seconds max. And not even a full tornado.
And here are the results of that game.
Yeah, that's wild. You gotta go fishing for your boat.
Is somebody out on the water there on? Does not. Where do the dogs come from? Is it right here?
What's it called? Water spout?
Blew them everywhere. Kayaks.
Is it gone?
Yeah, it ran up over the hill.
In a minute or less.
Not towards my cottage, is it? No. Thanks, no.
It's a water spout. You'll be fine.
These sports cars face an
This a Corvette dealership? Oh, damn. What happened?
unfortunate destiny.
No.
Soon, they'll feel like the heroes of a disaster movie.
No. No. Not the vet, bro. Damn.
Underneath the museum, there was a cave that
Oh, it's
collapsed,
a museum. It's a
creating a
Corvette museum.
30-foot deep sinkhole. Several expensive cars ended up being buried here.
I know for a fact that ain't nothing shot 200,000. It's in a museum too, so probably 500,000. What the fuck? That's my favorite Corvette ever, and it's in my favorite color. That damn, bro. I'm low key sad. It ain't mine. But I'm low key sad. Like it's a big ass supercharger right here, bro. Like down the drain. I'll take it. Are y'all selling it? Did y'all like total that out? I'll buy it. Phone them. I'll buy it. I'll trade my car in right now for that exact one. Yup. Do it still work? Fuck it. What's that one down there?
Nonetheless, most of the museum's exhibits were saved.
Damn. It don't look like it. What the hell you consider motion? Is the tire flat? If it's not, can I get one?
A massive landslide occurred along the riverbank in Vietnam, swallowing several hundred meters of shoreline. On that land, there were 16 houses. Fortunately, no one was hurt.
Once again. 5 minutes, 9 seconds. Let's stop this at 5:30.
There were 16 houses. Fortunately, no one was hurt. The cause of this dramatic event was an underwater whirlpool.
A whirlpool? I ain't gonna lie, a whirlpool is the scariest thing ever for me. It ain't even make it. It didn't even make it. What y'all doing? Get the hell out of my face. It didn't even make it, bro. It didn't make it 10 seconds. The house gone. How the fuck? That's
was
crazy.
an underwater whirlpool.
What's some of y'all biggest fears in life? This just reminded me of one of mine, and it's getting stuck in the whirlpool. Damn, how the hell you gonna drown in the water?
Ini baju mau center out teman. पकड़ेगी।
पकड़न किलो मोटो था
Alligator.
ओ बापा
He looked like he was up to no good.
चल चल चल
Crazy as hell.
A terrible hurricane swept in from Greenland, turning the European coastline into a massive water park.
Damn. Is insurance gonna cover that?
The forces of nature have reminded everyone who's in charge here. More than 15,000 people were evacuated from flooded regions in the UK.
That's a scary sight. It's like a big ass swimming pool. It's a big
Car
pissed off
owners
pool.
definitely have it the hardest.
You know what's sad? The only thing you can do is unlock the car. Cause even if you turn the alarm off, you got probably about 3 seconds before that bitch start back up. Lord, please don't let it hail on my car. This is the only one I got. And I love it more than some people. Can I keep
This
it?
is completely ridiculous. They're like shattering when they hit the ground.
Golf balls at you. Damn. Imagine getting hit in the head with a golf ball from the sky. Like, who you even get mad at? Is that Jack in the Box?
At first, it's hard to tell what you're looking at. It might seem like a ship caught in a storm. On closer inspection, it becomes clear that it's an enormous amount of snow cascading downward. This is because the road goes through a mountain where an avalanche is happening. It feels like it will never end.
What the fuck? Why y'all even up there? What experience could you possibly be chasing that's that deep to even be up there? You say, yeah, I'm finna go hiking up a volcano. Well, what the fuck?
You need to master the art of staying calm, just like the person in this video,
Right.
to reach peak composure.
Bro, look at how steep that is. That's the sky. Hold on. Let's level it out. That's the sky, bro. That's a cloud. And it look like that's where it's you going damn near vertical. You think you a goat? Damn it, bro. Real quick though. How would y'all feel if y'all was like walking up a volcano, hiking up a volcano, and that hoe blew up? Like, what would you do? What can you do?
Yet another proof that the cameraman never dies.
Exactly. When in doubt, record that shit. It's a little too calm.
This is something you often see in the movies,
She's
but it
on
can
her
happen in
period.
real life too.
She's on
A
her
storm
period.
so powerful, it knocked that Ferris wheel over in an instant.
She's on her period. I'm gonna title this Mother Nature on her period. Did he just throw one of the things? Okay. Did the lights go off? Your lights ain't go off. Fuck it.
Oh, here you go, more.
Why I feel like this whole thing finna come down.
Whoa.
And y'all still gonna sit y'all dumb ass in this water. I don't know if I seen this the other day, but why do? I feel like the whole thing finna come down. And they think they fall away enough when they dumb ass. Whoa! Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah, oh my god, ouch. Uh-huh.
Hey, here comes the water.
Uh-huh. If a shit show here. Uh-huh.
Uh-oh.
It's
Watching
damn so
glaciers
right.
calve is thrilling, unless a huge chunk falls and causes a wave.
Uh-huh.
Ouch. Uh-oh.
Uh-huh. No, don't move.
You can see the cameraman briefly panic, but then he quickly realizes he's safe. It's truly an exhilarating experience.
Shit.
Certain natural
I don't know if it's the melanin in me, but boy, I be shitting in that water. What? Y'all cool with the boat just got down? Hell no.
natural events can be quite terrifying.
No.
This landslide in Bolivia resembles the aftermath of an ancient monster stirring from its slumber.
Yeah, look pissed off.
But what scared the locals the most is that the mountain swallowed 66 homes, burying them beneath the ground.
66 is crazy. I'm the type of dickhead that'll shoot at it. It's swallowing the tree. At that point, do you have something you want to say? Mother Nature, you got like a problem?
Okay, that is very fast. What was it?
Stupid ass bitch! Take your dumb ass in the house. Yeah, I hope it cracked your ass right on your motherfucking dumb ass melon top, hoe.
Check out this video
I'm
showcasing the
tired of
stunning
people.
power of volcanoes. See
Oh.
how smoke and ash have transformed into an enormous, incredible cloud?
No. I don't. That's what I'm saying. Y'all were walking up there and it blew up.
This is the Calbuco volcano in Chile, which
Alright.
erupted with a smoke plume reaching over 6.5 miles high. It's hard not to be awestruck by such a spectacle.
That's crazy. The way it looked just crazy. It's like bigger shit emerging out of bigger shit. Lightning, too. Backing up. I'm turning that bitch around immediately, expeditiously. Why y'all still sitting right there? Back the goddamn cars up. Y'all think y'all just somehow safe? Maybe
Water
you are.
can definitely be called the most stubborn element.
Yeah.
If it wants to go through somewhere, it will,
That's
no matter
gas.
what.
That's gas. That's gas. Water is not the most stubborn. It's gas. And in terms of that, I fuck with you. I like you. I don't know who you are, but I hope you make it far in life. I hope you're very successful. You the only one out here with a goddamn brain. Yeah, I was about to say I'll back up further. I take what I said back, you stupid as hell. Just like the rest. That's crazy. It's a river that runs through there. This is what I be talking about with these big ass ships. It gave me the hiccups again. Oh my god, bro. Y'all really got window wipers on the boat? Y'all got windshield wipers on the boat? Why y'all got windshield wipers on the boat? The most thing y'all do is go through water.
A ship of such immense size probably isn't afraid of any storm, but the sheer size of the vessel doesn't necessarily make the waters any less threatening.
You see? Damn. I'm gonna show you for the rest of the video.
These are smaller now, right?
Oh, the wind.
In this restaurant, you won't hear complaints about a fly in the soup. Here, you might find a nearby chair in your soup instead.
The windows are open, don't fall out.
Why is this?
Full bar. I repeat, next 7 full bar.
What? What?
Boy, hey! Hey, you think I Ryan Garcia high? Boy, what? Who? Left hook straight to your nose, nigga. Go back underwater. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Even if you're the best driver in the world, nature can still throw unexpected costs your way.
Let me make sure my car's still outside. Not the wheel. Who do you even do the insurance cover?
Yo, he's so pissed off.
Yeah, this typhoon's awesome! If you're transporting a car on a ferry, it's a good idea to stay inside the vehicle, like the video suggests. Otherwise, well, see for yourself.
Damn!
Oh my god. I'm not okay with this. Why?
Oh!
Because I'm really not.
Yes! Holy
Is your brake on?
yes, my brake's on.
I want to get out of here.
Okay, hold on. Well, we can't do anything now.
An Italian province almost turned into a second Venice due to continuous rainfall and the resulting floods.
I want to go to Venice. I think I'll live in Venice.
Aiuto, 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 aiuto. Scappa, lascia la macchina. Il fiume è uscito il fiume. Disastro. Disastro, disastro. Non c'è più nulla da fare. Porta via tutto, tutto e tutti. Questo è quello che vedi. Gente che cade.
God, bro, this is
Aiutare.
The cities that ended up underwater look like an archipelago. The biggest threat to property that people worked hard for over the years is definitely flooding. This merciless force of nature shows no mercy to anyone. A devastating flood hit one of the Canadian provinces. The overflowing creek washed away bridges and eroded the banks down to the foundations of homes.
I'd be scared as hell down my house. What?
The cost of rebuilding everything that the water destroyed is clearly enormous.
I'd be shooting on myself.
We are apparently now subject to evacuation. We're all supposed to be
in the bathroom.
Here, but,
Where all that water coming from? Yeah. That happened in what? 10 minutes? 10 minutes? Oh, Lance. That shit's scary, bro. I think that's the scariest thing that can happen. By far. You'll be on land perfectly fine. Everything going. Where's the water going though? Is it just hollow under there too?
If you want to experience life as a colonist on another planet right now, head to Antarctica.
Alright, where are we?
We're in Antarctica!
What's going on?
It's being Antarctica-like.
Oh, okay.
It's snowing and winding.
Snowing and winding. That's technical terms. You probably can't hear it on the video anyway.
The storms here will immerse you in the harsh, alien atmosphere of a distant world. With wind speeds reaching up to 300 feet per second.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Them shits be scary, bro. How you even build that? How you even get that out there? Hell no. Damn, the roof. And there's people in there. There's people in there.
No, the pilot hasn't changed his mind. The thing is, wind is the biggest enemy for an airplane during landing. In this case, ensuring the safety of the aircraft and everyone on board becomes quite challenging.
I know the wind ain't pick him back up.
Even on the second attempt, it didn't work out.
The wind picked him back up. And it was like, fuck it, I might as well just fly around. That's wild.
However, in the end, the team managed to tame the unruly winds.
That's good. That's all to them. Good shit. You need a bonus.
Volcanoes can be incredibly dangerous, yet their eruptions are so awe-inspiring that it's hard to look away. The Hunga Tonga Hunga Hayapai volcano, situated on its namesake island, is a prime example.
Oh my God.
The eruption caused severe damage, triggering earthquakes and tsunamis across North and South America. This truck was unfortunate enough to experience how gentle nature can be. The ground couldn't support its weight and swallowed the heavy vehicle. It was all due to water that created several sinkholes, and the driver ended up in one of them.
Trying to fix the water.
That's crazy. You never know. You never ever know if you driving over a road with a sinkhole under it.
Main break that caused these sinkholes. The good news, the city of South Fulton tells.
That was in Atlanta. Damn.
Singsan petrol pump sak leiminin pam isia ni yan.
Singsan petrol pump su action teruk.
What the fuck did you just say?
Yeah.
The worst possible place for a tornado to strike is the heart of a major city.
I thought that was electricity.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
A video captures the chaos as swirling winds tear through New York.
Look at all this shit in here. Oh my God. Still, look at gathering in the water.
Effortlessly ripping apart communication lines and overturning everything in their path. A truly terrifying sight.
Oh my God, this is so scary to watch. This is literally my worst fear.
I'm so happy it's going away from me. Oh, just flip that boat over! Wow. That was nuts. Did it disperse?
Many people dream of having a little house by the sea. But you should be prepared for the day when the ocean might come knocking at your door.
Yep. Y'all got sugar? Can I get some sugar? I need the sugar, motherfucker. Damn. Somebody closed it.
It might seem that the boats are sailing just as boats should.
No, it don't.
Something still feels off.
They backwards, dude. Yeah. They floating with the dock. Damn.
The caravan must have been parked for ages, and it was so eager to travel that it took off on its own as soon as it had the chance.
I got places to be, people. People to see. Did he try to go under the dam? I got to go. I don't think y'all understand, like, when you gotta go, you got to go. Damn, the rest of it.
This is truly a one-of-a-kind video. You'll get to experience what it's like to be right inside a snow avalanche.
Why? I don't want to. It's wind and frozen water. Congratulations. Cold ass, folks. Like what? All right. Big problem. Oh, I forgot. I didn't even get back in the video. Half-assed. Why is he on the street?
Uh-oh.
What? Get you. I'm sorry. I don't know if it's illegal. I'm putting your ass down right there. And we eating moose tonight. And I'm flossing my teeth with your antlers, bitch. Straight like that.
Oh my god.
Hit his ass with the car.
Oh,
He chased him down.
oh my god.
That car got definitely dented.
I told you they're crazy, man.
That car's right there.
I'm putting his ass down right there. And it's, no, them grown people. I'm putting him down.
I told
right
you
there.
they're crazy, man.
You ain't paid for this. Fuck. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god.
This stadium turned into a battleground where nature's fury clashed with human engineering.
Ja, was het dak ligt nu op de weg.
Was het dak? Oh, kijk, daar gaat weer. Oh, wat erg.
Nature won this round.
Die kant op. Oh,
Nature wins every round. Nature wins every single round. We live in it. We lose every time. Even if we win the round, it's gonna win the war every time. You fuck around. Oh, damn. You remember that Ferris wheel that I couldn't blow over? I bet you can't build another one in your casket. I'm sorry. I'm finna go lay my monkey ass down after I upload these videos. Cause my chest hurt, man. Cause I got hit. I'll see y'all in the next one.